Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, which part of the country you are watching me from. It's your lady Bridget Kaka. How are you all doing today? So today I'm back again with another video. This video I'm going to show you is homemade remedy. So this ingredients, you have to have three ingredients. One, you have ginger, and the second one you have lemon. The third, you have your honey. See, so this homemade remedy, I use it on my children, even myself. I use it for cold, for cough. You have to, for cough, 3 days, just give it 3 days, you see your cough will just disappear. So I use this on my children. I don't joke with it. I have a lot, so I always buy it and keep it in case I want to make use of it. So I will just grab it. So when I'm done preparing my this homemade remedy, I'll pour it here in this bottle. So I'll put it inside the fridge so that anytime they want to use it, I will not leave it in the pot. You will see how I will do it. So that if you want to give them to drink, you just fetch a little inside your cup, then let it hot. Just add teaspoon of honey to it. Drink it. Your cold and your cough will disappear. Your cough will disappear. So I use this on my children all the time. Now here is my ginger I'm going to use. Let me take it up so that you see. Here is my ginger. Here is my lemon. So I already wash it and I scrape this. So don't just joke with these ingredients, guys. I always use it myself and my children. So I use it. Don't joke with it. So let me take the camera down so I see what I'm going to prepare. Just cut it. Cut it a little bit. Let's make my lemon. See how I cut it? Oh, it's that they are not saying it. So guys, here is it. See, here is our homemade remedy. So you can drink this in the morning. Just drink it in the morning. So guys, here is my oatmeal remedy, and so I prepare it. So now I'm about to give my children or about to drink or add my honey to it. When you fetch it in the cup, make sure you drink it warm, not cold. So I'm going to keep it inside my fridge. So I'll leave it there. So maybe after like 3 days, I'll do another one. That is why I put it in this bottle. Okay. So when I'm about to drink, I'll just take a little in my cup, then take a teaspoon of honey. So I'll just add to it, turn it, then you drink it for cold and for cough. So here is my so guys, here is my ingredient that I use. You need 3 ingredients: lemon, honey, ginger. These 3 ingredients, they go with this. I use it to prepare this. Don't joke with these 3 ingredients. It's very active, for cough. So this one I'm going to take it. All my family going to take it. My children and I. So even when my husband is going to work, so you also take it when you have cough also. It's very good. So just add honey to it. Drink it. Bye bye to cough. Bye bye to cold. Now we are in winter. Winter, yeah, we're in winter. So every time you feel cold, catarrh and cough. So don't joke with it. Always prepare it. Put it inside your fridge. So if you want to make use of it, just take a little and drink. So that's all for now. Thank you once again for always be there. And if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. So also share with your friends so I can be seeing more video. Bye. See you on my next video.